Hi guys, welcome to our channel Dataanalytics, Microsoft Gold partner. My name is Webo and I work as senior data analyst at Addend Analytics. So as of you know, we have started Power Query tutorial series, and this is the part 4 where we can talk about the merge function. So let's open Power Query. So what is the merge function? So merge function, it is used when you want to combine the two tables based on the common column. It's just a VLOOKUP function used in Excel or like joins in the SQL. So let me show you how it works. So we have two dataset, employee dataset and organizational dataset. So in the both dataset we have common column name employee ID. Now we have to connect these two tables. On the common column is employee ID. So okay, for that we need to go to home page, and then click on the merge queries. So we got two options, merge query and merge query as a new. So merge query, which will be merged into the current table, and merge queries as new, which creates a new table with the merged data. So let's me go with the merge queries as new. Now a dialog box will be open, and it will be has the first table is the selected, like the employee data, and second table is the organizational data. So then selecting matching column, I select the employee ID, and here is from the employee ID, and make sure the matching columns have same data type. If the data type of the both column are different, then join cannot be performed, there is error occur. After selecting, there is a default left joint will be available. There are the various types of joint: left outer, right outer, full outer join, inner join, left anti and right anti. So left outer will be used all from the first and matching from the second table. Same right outer join will be used the all from the second tables and the matching record from the first table. Full outer join will be used the all rows from the both. Inner will be used the all matching rows. So left anti will be shows the rows from the only in the first table, and right outer joint will be right anti joint will be shows only records in the second table. Okay, default we select on the left outer and click on the OK button. Now we will be see this column have added and merged a table. So at the last we have seen the icon is here, so it icon has the uh, other tables column. So which columns we want to see? Only select these columns. So I want to see manager's name and the work location, and uncheck this prefix column, so it will be removes the prefix name. And by clicking OK, we have added the two new columns into the new join or the new functions. So if you are merging with the employee data with the organizational data, so by using left join, you will be getting all the record from the employee data, but the records you want from the organizational data, that will be shown into the new merge table. So this is how merge function works in the Power Query. It's super useful when you want to bring into the related data from the another table based on the key columns. Okay, so we will be see next transformation in next video. Till like this video, if you found it useful, share it with your friends or colleagues who need to learn Power Query. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials update. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video. Thank you.